Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Amazon Fire HD10 2019 model. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and then follows with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a picker and plastic upright tool. And then, using a picker or plastic upright tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the broken camera lens glass from the back cover. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place the new camera lens glass on the back cover by adding adhesive. Next, insert and slide in the back cover from the top, and then make sure the clips are secured. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.